Hello mi gente and welcome back to Nata Knows Best, my channel dedicated to all things food. So first, let me just say Happy New Year. I hope you all spent it safely and at home. Now that the holidays are finally over, one of my favorite things to do is to go through my fridge and find some easy meals that I can make with all that leftover holiday food. So today's episode is just that. It's easy, delicious, and it's a meal that we all know and love. So get ready because in today's episode, we're making Nicaraguense style tacos. Making today are shredded chicken, and these are actually rolled in a corn tortilla and fried. So if they seem familiar, it's because you probably know them as taquitos. So in this pot, I have some leftover chicken breast that I've had in the freezer for a bit, and I'm just gonna add some water to this pot. You can add some chicken stock if you'd like, and we're gonna season it up and let it boil. So to season our water, I'm going to use my go-to seasonings, which are some Sazon, some Adobo, along with some garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper. But you can season your broth or your water however you like. For exact measurements, I will put the recipe in the description box below.
Yeah.
So I finished frying up our tacos, and as you guys saw, we kind of had a mishap and they undid themselves. So presentation wise, they don't look the best, but trust me when I tell you that these taste amazing. I put some on the side just so I could try for you guys. I served them the way you would in Nicaragua, so it's very authentic. They're topped with a little bit of crema and my homemade repollo. If you guys are looking for that recipe, I will link it up here as well in the description box below. And then on top of the repollo, you put cuajada and a little bit of ketchup. Yes, ketchup. But let's go right in. These are so delicious and so easy to make, and the balance of all the flavors and textures is really out of this world. So remember mi gente, If you guys are looking for an easy, quick meal that you can use some of your leftovers for, definitely give this recipe a try. I'm going to add this recipe to my Nata Knows Nica playlist. I'll link that right here for you guys. Remember, we have episodes dropping every week, so please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Nata knows best.